So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about an exciting job opportunity floated by Ernst& Young or E&Y on its website where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So please do watch this video very carefully till the end as we are going to be discussing about job description, which is a bit tricky as it is not mentioned in the company's web page, and we will also be discussing some of the interview questions, especially the tricky ones which E&Y can ask you. So be there in the video till the end, and in case you are new to my channel and you are searching for a job, then consider subscribing my channel and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation when you like my videos. Now, first of all, let us discuss what this job role is about. The job role is EY Associate. It is written, but it is actually Annotation Associate. So, if you are my subscriber, you must be wondering. Certain time back, I had floated a job of Amazon known as Digital IV Associate where annotation work was required. But this one is a bit different because their annotation was required for images and videos. Here, the annotation will be required for documents. So, what is meant by document annotation is that you will be given certain documents related to the companies. You will have to go through those documents and you will have to annotate them. So, annotating documents means you will have to write the summary of the document. What is the main summary of the ideas of the document? What is the table of contents of the document? What is the conclusion of the document? What is the bibliography of the document? These are the kind of things you will have to add in that document so that when the other or the management team reads that document, they are easily able to identify what this document is about, where the contents have come from. It is this kind of job role. And there are three types of annotation that you can do to the documents. You will have to do all of them. One is descriptive documentation, where you write all about all the things related to the document, where the text has come from, bibliography, everything except evaluation. Second type is summarizing annotation, where you just have to write about the summary of the document. And third is evaluating annotation, where you have to evaluate the document about its positives and negatives, what are the errors in that, and what is the conclusion. So these are the three types of annotation that you will have to do: descriptive, summary, and evaluative. So you must remember this thing because this can be asked in interview. Although freshers can apply, but you should at least have some knowledge about annotating documents. So, regarding the salary for this role, E&Y usually gives a good salary even to freshers also. It can be between 4 to 6 LPA. And as far as the interview rounds are concerned, sometimes E&Y takes an online test also considering of basic English and logical reasoning questions, but not always. So I'm not sure whether they will take it for this role or not. And otherwise, there will be a couple of interview rounds for HR and manager role. For HR and manager round, and these interview questions and answers I will discuss you, and for that I'll take you to my computer screen and I'll also tell you how you can apply to this successfully. So let's move to our computer screen. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen and first I'll talk about some of the interview questions that can be asked for this role. So they are: what do you understand by annotation and what are types of annotation? So I had already explained you different types of annotation and what is an annotation. Do you consider yourself successful? So it's a bit tricky question. You can answer that accordingly. That you can talk about that you set certain goals and then you give your best to achieve them. So this is what success is. When you set certain goals and if you are able to achieve them or not. So you can talk about that. Then they can ask you, do you lie? It is again a tricky question. We all do lie sometimes, so you have to answer this very carefully. So these are some of the tricky questions that can be asked in E&Y. So next can be talk about a time when you worked in a team, because here teamwork is of utmost importance. How do you manage your time? Because they have clearly written they want someone to have good organization skills. So time management is one of them. So it is can definitely be asked. talk about a time when you had to dive deep to solve a problem, because they have written you need to have attention for detail to solve problems. So this question can also be asked. How do you keep yourself motivated? And some other questions can be, how do you prioritize your tasks? So it is again organization skill that you need to have. Talk about a situation where you acted like a leader. This question is asked from almost everyone in E&Y, because they also want people who are leaders just like Amazon. Then talk about any achievement of yours that you are proud of. And uh, lastly, again a tricky question, would you prefer, submitting correct work late or submitting work on time that contains error? So these are the kind of questions that can be asked by E&Y. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So I have floated this on my website, EY Annotation Analyst. So you can just go there and you can read about the job details here. And if you feel you are comfortable, you just have to click apply for this job, and then you will be redirected directly to the E&Y website where this job has been floated. And if you are comfortable, just click here apply now to E&Y, and then you will have to fill in certain details like your first name, last name, email address, password. So you have to create an account and then submit your details and you will be able to apply. So this is how you are able to apply for this, and once you do that, they will get in touch with you. So in case you want to get your CV rectified for this position or any other position, that service has also been started, and I'm currently giving a discount of 20% to subscribers till 4th of November. So link is given below. My email ID is given below. You can contact me for that if you want. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.